We've all seen one. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see what kind of frogs we have. Okay. Can I have your attention?
I see
a question. If it's not a question, hold on to it. Okay, here's what we're doing. This is your cheat sheet. We're going to fill this out together. Then, you're going to make one of these. This is the life cycle of the frog. It moves. It shows you the different stages. Guess what you're going to do? You're going to color it. And you're going to write your own statement about each stage. And I'm going to show you what I did. Let's talk about this one that's in your notebook for right now, though. Stage 1 is eggs. Do you see the egg? Does everybody see the egg? Put a 1 on the one with eggs. This is your cheat sheet. Just so you know what to do. Alright. Let's fill this out together. A mother frog lays her blank, 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 blank. What do you think that is? Oh, yeah. Eggs. Fill it in. This is your cheat sheet. A mother frog lays her eggs. They are covered with clear jelly. We saw that in the video, remember? All that clear jelly. Stay focused. It's eggs. The first blank is eggs. Stage 1. Stage 2. The tadpole that does not have legs, just a tail. Stage 2. Put a 2. Put a 2 on stage 2. Let's read it. Tadpoles hatch from their eggs. They have blank, 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 blank to help them breathe underwater. That was in the video. You have the right answer. Don't call out next time. Gills. Number 2, stage 2. Tadpoles have gills to breathe underwater. What's the next stage? Kevin? Which is? Point to the picture. Stage 3. The tadpole with a tail and 2 small legs. Put a 3. Put a 3. This is your cheat sheet. You're going to need this. You are going to need this. Let's read this. And I'm going to give you this answer back so you know this one. Now the tadpole grows hind legs. Number 3 is hind. The hind legs on an animal that is on all fours are the back legs. Your dog, your cat, the back legs are hind legs. A horse. Number 3. Now the tadpole grows hind legs. Then the tadpole grows lungs. Lungs let it breathe air too. At this stage, once our tadpoles start growing legs, I have to put them in a new tank because they need to be out of water because they have lungs like us. They can't breathe underwater anymore. I got it. Stage 4. None of the videos talked about what stage 4 was called. This is the small frog that still has a tail. It's called a froglet. A froglet. That means a baby frog. Froglet. That's your blank for number 4. Please put a number 4 also. You're going to need this. Number 4. Wherever you need it to move first, you know what number 4 is. Go ahead. The tadpole grows front legs. Its tail becomes shorter. Now directions once, right? You may work in your table partners. You'll each be getting one of these. There's a lily pad. Frogs like to live on them. There's this sheet labeled 1 through 5. Why do you think I had you label your cheat sheet with the numbers 1 through 5? Why would I have you label your cheat sheet with the numbers 1 through 5? Anna? You need to know the stages because guess what? Next, you're getting 5 triangles. You're going to, with your glue stick, wherever you think stage 1 is, and you should know because you have a cheat sheet, you glue it down. Glue all your stages down. At that point, you can color your frogs in however you want. Let me show you what I've done. I'm going to show you what I've done for mine before we get started. First, I put my name, Miss Mills. Then I put, what are we studying? Frog life cycle. And I wanted to add the word metamorphosis because that's an important word. And what did I say about metamorphosis? Why do we have tadpoles? Why do we have tadpoles, Lana? So we can study the life cycle and metamorphosis. Can I read you what I wrote? Because guess what? You're writing in your own space for each step. For eggs, I wrote, tadpoles start out as eggs. Each frog can lay thousands of eggs. Remember we learned that on the video. Stage 2. See how it says? Stage 2. Tadpoles hatch from the eggs. Tadpoles breathe through gills. Try to get your vocabulary in there. Stage 3. Soon tadpoles grow legs and develop lungs. They are almost frogs. Stage 4. When they move out of the water but still have a tail, they are now froglets. And the last stage. The last stage is the frog. Soon the frog will lay new eggs that will become tadpoles. I showed you what I did because me and Miss Marquez expect you to use complete sentences when you write your own. We expect you to use the vocabulary that you learned, which is on your cheat sheet. You should all know it because we filled that out together. When you are done with everything, you have written your title, your name, you have glued everything, you have written your sentences and complete sentences. You'll come to me. We'll pick out a pretty color together, whichever one you like, and we'll make the final step, which is your turning piece. Does anyone have any questions? That's the only time I'm explaining what we're doing. If you need help, you have your table partners. Yeah. Mine did just come off, but we'll stick it back in there. It won't be a problem. Any other questions? Don't come to me with a question if you're not asking one now, please. Monty? Each of your triangles will look like this. It'll have the picture of what stage it is, which will correspond to the cheat sheet that we filled out. And it will have blank lines for you to write your own description of the stage.